Is black seed oil good for losing weight? There is currently a lot of debate about the effectiveness of black cumin as a weight loss supplement. While there are some studies concluding its effectiveness, there are many that are less optimistic. After extensive research, it appears black cumin can help with weight loss in a healthy manner. We all want to look and feel our best, but most of us don't know the best way to do that. In this video, I'll introduce you to the world of black seed oil and the benefits it has for weight loss. Here is what you will discover in this video. What is black seed oil? Black seed oil benefits. We show you over 1,400 proven medical research. Dosage used. Plus we reveal the one side effect of taking black seed cumin that is good for you. So, let's get started.
Black cumin is used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisines just like any other regular spice and has a peppery flavor, but it's also been prized for purported medicinal benefits. Described as a miracle herb, Prophet Muhammad is evidently quoted as saying black cumin could heal every disease except death. Only in the last 50 years or so has it been put to the test, though, culminating more than 1,000 papers published in the medical literature. Typical doses used in studies are just 1 or 2 grams a day, which is only about a quarter teaspoon. This enables researchers to perform randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trials by stuffing the whole food spice powdered into capsules rather than studying some component or extract. Systematic reviews and meta-analyses of randomized controlled trials have found that daily black cumin consumption significantly improves cholesterol, triglycerides, blood pressure, and blood sugar control. Some of the results were quite extraordinary. Those are the kind of results you'd expect from a statin drug, yet this was just a sprinkle's worth of a simple spice. Black cumin may even help with menopausal symptoms. Now, it didn't cure anything. A month after stopping the spice, cholesterol levels started to creep back up. But it does appear to be a cheap, safe, effective, and delicious, if you like things spicy, treatment for some of our deadliest risk factors. And the side effects? Loss of appetite and weight loss. Bingo! The latest systematic review and meta-analyses of randomized controlled weight loss trials found that about a quarter teaspoon of black cumin powder every day does appear to cause weight loss within a span of a few months. If it really can benefit so many facets of health, why don't you hear more about it? Why wasn't I taught about it in medical school? Maybe because there's little profit motive. Black cumin is just a common, natural spice. The daily dose used in most of these studies would cost about 3 cents a day. You're not going to thrill your stockholders by selling something you can't patent that costs 3 cents a day.
What questions are significant to you that we have failed to answer? Please comment below. We reply to all comments. Or go to prettyfairnutrition.com.